pag-ising sa damdamin ng doktrina, pagnilayan at nilalaman ng mga aklat na ito, maging masipag sa pag-aaral at ang pagpunlan sa karunungan ay bahagi sa mga tao upang maging instrumento ng kaligtasan para sa sarili at sa iyong kapwa. Ibagon ang mga mahihina, pagilingin ang mga may sakit, palayain ang mga bigat, panubalikin ang mga nahiwalay, at hanapin ang mga nawawalan, maging makapakin ng may disiplina, upang sa muling pagdating ng punong pastol, ay tanggapin mo at itimubukas na korona ng kalawalatian sa pamamagitan ng Jesucristo na ating Panginoon. In the said diocese, being its highest spiritual leader, chief executive and administrator, chief pastor, teacher, evangelist, and liturgist, with the term beginning May 5, 2024. He shall enjoy all the powers, rights, prerogatives, and privileges inherent to his office as prescribed for by the Constitution and Canons of the Church, as delegated to me by the responsible and all the Supreme Council of Bishops. He shall take jurisdiction of the Church of St. Joseph the Worker, located in Camlon Street, Aguilar, City, Bohol, as the diocesan cathedral, the symbol and the center of his pastoral, liturgical, teaching and oversight ministry in the whole diocese. This appointment shall remain valid until May 5, 2031, or until revoked because it is possible, and all to the Supreme Council of Bishops will oppose. This should be 15th day of April, in the year of our Lord 2024, at the Bispado Maximo, 1500 Avenue, Ermita, Manila, Philippines. Bishop Warner Tulan, congratulations.
Abang kami dan.
Yes. Jadi video.